your reading for the full moon of June 25th, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. This deck contains special messages from your guardian angels. I'm going to select 2 cards. No, I'll have to shuffle again because a lot of cards fell. Let's see which card I want to pop out. Maybe I'll select this one because I can't see which one is this. The Angel of Transformation. And select this one because I can't see this one. The Angel of Good Fortune. Alright, Saggies. Let's see what your angels have to say. I feel some of you with the Angel of Transformation and the Angel of Good Fortune in the picture, especially with the Angel of Good Fortune, some of you might be feeling that you don't have luck by your side, and you're feeling stuck, maybe in your personal life or your professional life. I don't know. Let's see. So let's begin with the Angel of Good Fortune. It's asking you, do you wish for more luck? Maybe you're like, oh my god, that person is earning so much, I wish I was more lucky, that kind of feeling. The angel is saying, be assured that you have all the luck that you need. Wow, it's beautiful, beautiful. It's almost as if you have a 4-leaf clover in your pocket, which is considered very lucky, by the way, if you don't know what that is. Focus on your vast abundance and you will attract more. You have good luck and great adventures when you travel. So in case some of you are planning to travel, you may, and in case you are feeling you're not lucky enough, then you are. Luck is by your side. That's what the Angel of Good Fortune is saying. And to make you believe that, there is the positive affirmation that you can start speaking today and speak until the full moon. The positive affirmation for you is, in order to become more lucky or to feel that yes, you are lucky, is, I am so incredibly lucky. I have many blessings in my life. Abundance and prosperity are constantly flowing in my life. I am grateful for these gifts. Safe, adventurous travel filled with cosmic coincidence is a certainty. Wow. So you must speak this, definitely, especially if you're planning to travel, Saggies. The Angel of Transformation. Let's see what it has to say for you. Yeah, of course, when you're feeling down and you're feeling like, I don't think I'm lucky, that guy is earning more than me, or that guy has a better girlfriend than me, or that guy has a relationship and I'm still single, and look at that guy, definitely it's asking you, are your emotions blocked? That is a negative thinking. Your emotions are definitely blocked. Are your emotions preventing you from moving forward? It's saying embrace your feelings, both positive and negative. Release anger and resentment. Watch your emotions be transformed into one that frees you to live and love fully. In order to do that, I guess you have to love yourself first. You have to feel that you are worthy and that you can also get that job, better job, or that get that better person in your life if you are single and you're feeling that way, that you're not lucky enough, for example. Right? So you have to start loving yourself, and you will automatically, it's saying, love fully and be transformed. Your emotions will be transformed from negative to positive. I think it's the Mercury retrograde, it's not me, okay? So pardon my communication and fumbling in words. So the positive affirmation for you from the Angel of Transformation is, I am free of emotional baggage, like a butterfly that has emerged from a cocoon. I now enjoy a state of emotional balance. I fully appreciate this transformation and continue to allow my feelings to make themselves known to me. Beautiful. I think you have got by far the most beautiful reading. I'm 100% sure that everybody feels stuck and emotionally out of proportion from time to time, but by the Angel of Good Fortune in your reading, I believe luck is definitely by your side, Saggies, no matter what you're thinking or no matter what's happening in your life. Okay, you're definitely lucky than most of them out there. Think like that. Okay, so you guys take care. This was your reading for the full moon of June 25th, 2021. Remember that, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.